Looking for some easy ways to make extra cash? Check out this awesome free app that pays you just for reading the news from your phone. In this video, we'll walk you through the super simple steps to get started and show you how this cool app works. Picture yourself making money in your downtime while enjoying interesting reads. It's not a gimmick, it's a real chance for anyone wanting to boost their income without breaking a sweat. Don't miss out. Watch now and see how you can turn your reading habit into something profitable. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our awesome money-making tips. We've got online earning opportunities for everyone around the world. Drop your country in the comments and we'll hook you up with videos tailored just for your region. Alright, let's dive in. Love reading and want to snag some rewards while you're at it? Meet NewsPay App, the fun and totally free GPT app that turns your reading time into reward time. Dive into articles, complete simple tasks, and watch those points pile up. It's like earning cash just for keeping up with the news. Imagine chilling on your couch, scrolling through interesting articles, and raking in rewards while you do it. Thousands are already cashing in with NewsPay. Don't miss out on the easiest side hustle around. You'll feel great knowing you're staying informed and getting rewarded for it. The main way to make money with the NewsPay app is by reading articles. As soon as you log in, you'll see a bunch of articles ready for you. Just pick one that catches your eye and click on it to start reading. Once you're on the article page, you'll notice a progress bar at the top. To fill it up, just scroll through the article. No need to actually read it to earn, just make it seem like you're reading by scrolling slowly. So here's the deal. The progress bar now has checkpoints where your earning process takes a little pause. When you hit one, you'll get to choose whether to watch an ad or keep reading. If you're in it for the earnings, you'll need to check out the ad. Basically, you're getting paid to watch ads instead of just reading articles. Once you've hit all the checkpoints and watched all the ads in an article, you can move on since there are no more points up for grabs from that one. The good news? There are plenty of articles available, so you can keep racking up those earnings regularly. You can make some extra cash with the NewsPay app by checking out the daily tasks. Just head over to the tasks section in the app to see what you can do for more coins. Plus, you can rack up even more rewards by answering surveys, hitting up the offer wall, and inviting your friends to join in on the fun. NewsPay hooks you up with quick payouts. You can cash in your points for PayPal money or snag an Amazon gift card. Ready to turn your reading habit into cold hard cash? Download NewsPay app today and start earning rewards for doing what you love. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried NewsPay or any other making money apps? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and share your story. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.